Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a movement that you are absolutely gonna love. And if you don't love the movement, you're gonna love what it does for you. This movement, well, it honors the three pillars of human movement. And if you don't know, we teach that there are three things that a human should do to stay young, strong, and healthy throughout your entire life. And the first one is breathe with your diaphragm. The second is activate your vestibular system. And the third is engage in your gait pattern or midline crossing movements. So this one movement I'm gonna show you does all three, but this movement also, well, it keeps your body young. So I'll just show you and we'll talk through it. So we're gonna take our hands and we're gonna put them together. Namaste. And we're going to draw infinity symbols with our hands, but we're gonna keep our eyes, these two things here, we're gonna keep them on the tips of our fingers as we draw the infinity symbols. And so we're gonna follow our fingers with our eyes and let our head follow our eyes, and we're gonna let our torso and our legs follow our head. So it's eyes, head, body. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna draw infinity symbols. We're tracing the infinity symbol in the air, and just doing that alone is going to connect both hemispheres of your brain. Just imagining the infinity symbol in the center of it will connect both hemispheres of your brain and help make your nervous system more efficient. So basically this movement right here, we are strengthening our nervous system and telling it that, well, we're just giving it a lot of good information. So our eyes are following our fingers and our head is following our eyes and our body is following our head. Now, that's one way. By the way, when you start out doing this, it's okay to start out making very small infinity symbols and getting used to that, because what you'll find is this might actually make you dizzy, and that's okay, but just give yourself room. Don't be around heavy equipment or anything that you could hit your head on if you should stumble. So give yourself room and start out small. And if you need to just trace the infinity symbol first, awesome. There's really good stuff in this. And you're just, honestly, if you just did this right here, you're going to feel your torso connect to your lower body. It's amazing. I know it's ridiculously simple, but just do it. And then you'll be like, that guy's right, that's amazing. So just get used to this first, and then let your body follow. See how my hips are following the trace of the infinity symbol. And then when you get comfortable with that, or that's easy, then put the head into it. And now we are doing the trifecta. We're breathing with our diaphragm. Don't hold your breath, you should be breathing. We're breathing with our diaphragm, we are activating our vestibular system, and we are crossing midline, connecting this shoulder to this hip. And we're connecting this shoulder to this hip. So we are actually engaging in a very simplistic gait pattern. All right? But wait, Johnny, there's more. So we did that one way, and you're gonna do it the way that feels natural to you. So then we're gonna do it the other way that doesn't feel natural, or we're gonna do it the unnatural feeling way. So instead of tracing this way, looking at our index fingers, we're gonna switch the motion and focus more on our pinky fingers, smaller fingers. So we were going this way, and now we're going to reverse it, and we're still gonna follow. Now this way here feels fantastic if you get over the awkwardness of tracing the infinity symbol the wrong direction or the other direction. There's no wrong. But if you reverse the infinity symbol, now you're really gonna feel your torso light up like a Christmas tree. And now we're trying to keep our focus on our pinky fingers. We're still letting our head follow our eyes, and we're still letting our lower body follow our shoulders. And now that we've reversed it, we're connecting this shoulder to this hip and this shoulder to this hip. So we're working both sides of the X. Your body's an X. On the back too. Hey. But we're working both sides of the X and really tying your body together. And I know this seems ridiculous, but do this movement and you'll love it. You'll love how you feel. Your body is gonna feel great. This is youth. This is youth right here. These three things. This infinity symbol honors the three pillars of human movement, going front and back and it feels amazing. It will make your nervous system stronger. It'll help you move better, help you think better. You'll just feel better. Give that a shot. Do it every day for, you know what, trace 21 infinity symbols one way and then trace 21 infinity symbols the other way, and do that for 21 days. And then get on this video and comment and just tell me how you feel, because I want to know, because you're going to feel good. It's going to be amazing, but I want you to tell me that just so I'll know that, oh, yeah, they feel good and they feel amazing. All right, give that a shot. I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.